Okay, so last time I started, I went ahead and I had all this put together, but I'm going to do it step by step with you guys. So we're going to start with the ground wire. So anywhere it says GND, that is your ground wire. Okay, so we're going to put that in the ground wire on our Arduino board. And then over here on 51 on this side, so 51 is right here. I'm going to put it, I'm sorry, I'm going to put it in 52. I'm going to put it in 52. So this is 50, this is 51, this is 52. Oops. Okay, here we go. All right, then, and that's on the opposite side. Then I'm going to take one of my resistors and I'm going to put it right beside on 53. And then I'm going to cross the board and go to G and put it on, got this mixed up. Nope, we're good. G on this side, okay? Then I'm going to take another resistor, make sure that's not connecting. I'm going to take another resistor and put it in 51 and put it in that same second 51 on the second strand right there. Okay, so that's connecting those two. Make sure that's on the same line. Yeah, it is on the same line. Then I'm going to take my third resistor and go on 50 and go into that second one in G. So I put one side on 50E and the other side, make sure these don't connect. The other side on 50G. Make sure that those go all the way in. Okay, so I've got my resistors connected. Okay, now I'm going to work with my wires. Again, I'm going to use different colored wires so that you know what each thing is. Okay, so I'm going to start with my red wire. My red wire is going to go into 6. So I'm going to look over here. Here's my 6. I'm going to put 6, the red wire, is going to go right here with the resistor on the other side of my ground wire. Now again, once you have power to this strand, it goes throughout the entire strand. So I'll put it right here. Whoops, right here. Okay, so that's actually in 53H. Okay, then I'm going to take my green wire and I'm going to put it in 5 on my Arduino board. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on the H with my resistor right here. So it's going to be in 51H. Okay, then I'm going to take my blue wire and I'm going to put it in 3. And then I'm going to put that in 51H, corresponding with this other resistor. Okay, then I'm going to take my three colored prong here, or lead here, and I'm going to put the long wire, as our professor said, is where it goes with our ground. Okay, so this is going to go into, that longer one is going to go into 51 to 52, and it can be on A, it could be on B, C, D, either one of those. So I'm going to put it right here, and then each one of these are going to go on the corresponding slot. We already have power going to that because we've already set it up right here. So I'm going to make sure that middle one goes in there, and these go there. All right. Now we're going to test our circuit by connecting our Arduino board to our computer. I've already put the code in. So you notice that it is changing colors. So that was our goal, is to change colors. So I know that is set up correctly. I know my code is set up correctly. Now I got lucky enough to where my software that came with my Arduino board has the pre-programmed coding in here. So I got lucky with that. But you always got to make sure that you've got the right code, or it will not work. So I think that I'm pretty successful with building it correctly and putting in the code correctly, because it's doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so I think that this was a success.